this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to create a forecast in QuickBooks Online Advanced. Let's get started. Forecasts help you project your business growth, identity range, and plan future budgets using your financial data. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online Advanced, click Reports, then go to Financial Planning and select Forecast. Click Create Forecast to begin. Choose how far into the future you want to forecast, whether it's for the rest of the current financial year, through the end of next year, or up to 3 years. Next, choose how QuickBooks should build your forecast. You can select Average of Actuals, which calculates an average from a selected time period and is ideal for businesses with consistent monthly income and expenses. Alternatively, choose Actuals from last financial year if a business experiences seasonal fluctuations, as QuickBooks will use your monthly results from the previous year. If you would like to project growth, enter your percentage increase or decrease, such as 10% increase, then click Next. Review your forecast settings and make any changes if needed. QuickBooks will then generate a monthly forecast based on your selections. You can edit the forecast at any time by changing the forecast name, adjusting individual monthly values, or updating the forecast settings. You also have the option to convert your forecast into a budget, allowing you to compare your budget with actual performance using built-in reports. Once you are satisfied with your forecast, click Save and Close. You can always return later to edit, create additional forecasts, or delete existing ones. And that's how you can create a forecast in QuickBooks Online Advanced. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.